here at CCIF this year, and one other product that we're going to be featuring for collision shops is our Progi planning. So Progi planning is about capacity. It's about booking more hours with the resources you have in your shop. So shops, we have over 100 shops already on it.
Oh, wow.
And they can actually tell by a day, like the 15th of the month, they can know whether they are already making profit on the jobs that are in their collision shop. So it's really to maximize all their technicians and push the maximize basically every day and every shift. So Progi planning, streamlining business, exactly. I was looking for that.
Yeah.
Really simplifying and the day-to-day operation. It's you can actually on an iPad or even on your phone, they can manage it. It's responsive. So through the day, if for some reason they have a back order in a part, well, they can push the job and there's an automatic burn time. So it's really efficient for collision shops to be able to maximize their resources with Progi planning.
Yeah, that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
So moving on from what Progi's got here, what do you guys, is there any trends or predictions you've got for 2020 in terms of other products? I know you've got your planning tool here, but is there anything that other companies you think might be pursuing, or anything that Progi could possibly tease about coming in 2020?
Yeah, we got some new features for our insurance partners where we'll be able to book the non-drive and drivable. So right now, at the FNOL, at the call, the claim agent can book directly into a collision shop.
Oh,
so basically, usually 40, 50, 60% of the claims can be booked within one day. And within 3 days, usually we're up to 70, 80% of claims can be booked directly into a collision shop across Canada. So that really reduces the cycle time to be able to get the repair done faster. Now we've got new features coming up where we'll be able to do the first tow with a non-drive into a yard or into a collision shop. And we'll be able to do also the photo estimate. So the client will be able to get a notice, and basically it's sent to the client. The client will take a couple of shots, pictures of the vehicle, send it to the collision shop. The collision shop can start the estimate process or say, hey, John, can you send me pictures of the interior to see if the airbag's deployed? And there's an exchange between the shop and the client, reducing again that cycle time to get the estimate going. And then the client the shop can say, okay, great, I got all my pictures, I got enough to do the estimate, I'm gonna book you in for the repair. So right away he sends the drop-off appointment. So there's a notice that he gets on his phone.
Wow.
And he gets so he gets a confirmation of the appointment and then a reminder 24 hours prior of his appointment.
Yeah, super comprehensive.
So yeah,
everything's there. Everything's in there.
Everything's there, which we really try to make it quick and easy for the collision shops to be able to use our tool, and for our insurance partners to book directly into any network.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Greg. You gave me lots of information. Have a great night tonight.
You too. All right.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.